Hi, I'm John, a third generation roofing contractor and founder of Subtrak. We built Subtrak with the goal of helping contractors systemize their business so it runs like clockwork, freeing them up to focus on growth instead of constantly putting out fires. Subtrak is the operational hub for construction teams. We help you get your company's way of doing things out of your head and into a system your whole team can follow. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how Subtrack helps contractors train faster, keep jobs on track, and reclaim their time. In Subtrack, everything starts with a workflow. Your company's processes organized into tasks and actions that are assigned to roles in your company so everyone knows who's responsible for what. You can build them from scratch, use one of our trade specific templates, or let AI structure them for you. Each task can have a full SOP attached with written instructions, photos, videos, links, attachments, and even translated versions for your crew. The benefit? If someone's out sick, on vacation, or leaves the company, their replacement can step in and follow ready-made instructions. That way, your company specific know-how never walks out the door. Workflows aren't just documentation. You can turn them into checklists for real jobs. For example, here's a project startup checklist. Every task is tied to an SOP, so your team knows exactly what needs to happen on a job. This keeps projects from living in someone's head. Instead of managers and employees juggling mental to-do lists, everything vital to project success is tracked in one place. That means fewer fires to put out, smoother communication, and less micromanagement. With project checklists, tasks can also be assigned to specific team members with due dates. Each person sees what's on their plate in their My Tasks dashboard, while managers see everything that needs to happen across the company in the Company Tasks dashboard. This makes delegation effortless. You can assign tasks to new hires, and they'll not only see what's due and when, but also exactly how to do it with the attached SOP. That way, new employees can start contributing from day one, ramp up months faster, and step confidently into roles when others are out or unavailable. Subtrack makes it simple to communicate your standards and expectations. SOPs tied to tasks ensure consistent quality. Checklists make sure no detail slips through the cracks, and if you need to share information on the job site, you can generate links or QR codes for instant access. Clear communication prevents rework and costly delays. Everyone stays aligned, which keeps projects moving smoothly and profitably. So to recap, Subtrack helps you capture and protect your company's knowledge, ramp up new hires months faster, assign and track tasks with built-in SOPs, improve communication and quality, and save managers hours each week by reducing chaos. The result is fewer delays, fewer mistakes, and a systemized business that delivers consistent profits, customer satisfaction, and results. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to show you how Subtrack could work in your company. Schedule a demo with me today.